So guys, I'm here again and today we will see some search techniques on Google which will make your work easier. Hello friends, this is Avi, you're watching Learn Basics. Let's begin it. So as you can see, we have this painting, Mona Lisa painting. So we will find out the details in Google. Let's see how. So there is, as you can see, this is a Google home page and there is an option called images. Okay, just click on that. Okay, now it will look like that. As you can see, there is a camera icon. Okay, just click on that and it will ask you that particular image which you the detail which you wanted to find out. Okay, so upload an image. You have two options: upload an image, or you can directly drag down. So we will drag down. As you can see, I'm dragging this image here. So now it's uploading. As you can see, this is a famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci, Mona Lisa. Okay, and now you can see all the details is given to there. Okay, so this is how we can find out the particular details of any image. Okay,